How are we all tonight? Our esteemed partners, Ms. Aurora Yu, Ms. Corazon Yap, our valued retail customers, contractors, consultants, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. It is my pleasure to welcome you to Assembly Grounds at the Rise, our boutique mall here in Noma. Assembly Grounds is an integral part of a mixed-use development project of the Rise, which comprises of 3,044 units of high-end residential as well. Assembly Grounds at the Rise combines celebrated world-class architectural and interior design with Shank Properties' signature build quality to create a one-of-a-kind residential and commercial development, which we are very proud of. Assembly Grounds at the Rise forms a community for like-minded people who are passionate about life to come together in life and to live life to its fullest. This two-level boutique mall has over 50 stores for dining and services, specially curated to serve the needs of not only the residents of the Rise, but also the thriving neighborhood around it. We are confident that this retail experience will provide something for everyone. I wish to express my sincere appreciation to our partners, VVY Realty Corporation, for their trust and confidence in Shank Properties. To our retail partners, thank you for your belief in Assembly Grounds, and we hope we have a long and fruitful partnership. And to all our contractors and consultants, without all of you, we would not be here tonight. Well, once again, welcome to the Assembly Ground, The Rise, and please enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you so much.
Mr. Wilfred Boone. All right. Tonight you are invited to take part in the newest hub this side of Noma, or of course North Makati, the Assembly Grounds at the Rise. This two-story community or boutique mall integrated into the Rise combines world-class architecture and interior design. It definitely has Shank Properties' thumbprint on residential and commercial development. Assembly Grounds has a good mix of restaurants, cafes, services, and essential stores that serve residents of the Rise and its neighboring community. And they're all carefully curated with the urban lifestyle in mind. Here you can feast on the best of the sumptuous culinary delicacies and drinks. Foodies look for different cuisines who can find the unique discoveries at the Assembly Grounds, of course. You can also treat yourselves to the latest and carefully curated retail offers with a knockout selection of establishments for your daily necessities. And of course, last but definitely not the least, like a true one-stop community hub, residents can enjoy much-needed me time, pamper and gratify their young and of course young at heart selves at the varied hip services here at the Rise, which only means one thing, ladies and gentlemen: Assembly Grounds at the Rise is the perfect fit for Noma's young savvy crowd. Here at the Assembly Grounds at the Rise, you can delight in the unexpected. How about a round of applause? Thank you very, very much. Of course, to kick off delighting you even more tonight, here's something unexpected. If you think we're done satisfying your gastronomic senses, we are not. Because, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a gourmet parade. How about a round of applause for our gourmet parade? Let's give it up, of course, for our partner establishments. Shadow Bites, Fiery Style, Southwestern Flaming Grill, Ramen Daisho, Recipes, Tom Yam Shabu Shabu Express, Yi Fan Fruity, Hokkaido, Zumuchan, buffalo wings and things, bread top, and puyas. Now I know you guys can smell it. It smells delicious. We are ready for that gourmet parade in just a bit. So how about another round of applause for our gourmet parade? But before we delight in the unexpected, allow me first to call on stage Attorney Carlo Estavillo, Chief Operating Officer and Chief Finance Officer, to lead our toast. Of course, may we also call back on stage Mr. Wilfred Wu and Mr. Gijo Yugo to join us here on stage. Of course, the Executive Vice President for Shang Properties Inc. Please give them a round of applause. Of course, may we also ask our partners from the BBY Realty, Ms. Aurora Yap Yu and Ms. Corazon Yap, along with the management of Shang Properties Inc., Mr. Casey Moy to join us, the Senior Projects Director, Ms. Lala Rojas, the Executive Vice President and General Manager, and Mr. Miguel Feuerman, our Director of Property Management. We can give them a round of applause, yes?
Raise your glass with us. To the team that has worked tirelessly, relentlessly, to make this boutique mall the most exciting lifestyle hub in Manila, and to our merchant partners for the confidence in our business plan and the trust in our company to execute and implement it. To our success. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about another round of applause? Cheers indeed. as well as hashtag Delight in the Unexpected. Now we would also invite you to check out the assembly grounds here at level 1 on the second floor and of course the park.